concept of a self-powered system capable of generating electricity without continuous external energy input has long captivated the imagination of inventors and enthusiasts. Such systems, often referred to as free energy or overunity devices, promise a revolutionary shift in how we power our homes, vehicles, and industries. Among these designs, the infinite energy system claims to harness high-voltage pulses and advanced electrical engineering principles to create sustainable, self-recharging energy systems. Historical context and controversies. One of the earliest figures associated with free energy technologies is John Worrell Keely, whose work in the late 19th century stirred both awe and skepticism. Keely claimed to have developed devices that could harness etheric energy, a concept tied to the then popular ether field theory. However, his career was marred by allegations of fraud, with critics accusing him of misleading investors. On the other hand, some argue that Keely's work was intentionally suppressed to protect the financial interests of burgeoning utility companies. Whether Keely was a visionary or a charlatan remains debated, but his legacy inspired subsequent generations of inventors, including John Bedini, who created the self-running battery charging pulse generator, a verified example of overunity technology. Bedini's device, which exploited high-voltage pulses to recharge batteries, serves as a foundation for the infinite energy system. Principles of the infinite energy system. The infinite energy system relies on 6 primary components. DC stepper motor converts electrical energy into mechanical motion. AC-DC converter and switching system facilitates the conversion of alternating current to direct current. Inverter converts direct current back into alternating current for standard usage. Battery stores and supplies energy. LCD digital pulse generator circuit and preamplifier generates and regulates high voltage pulses. Toroidal coil and DC-DC converter harnesses and amplifies transient voltage from the circuit. The essence of the system lies in its ability to harvest reverse electromotive force, EMF, and overvoltage phenomenon created when the circuit is abruptly interrupted. This principle, also called cold electricity, taps into transient energy spikes to recharge the battery continuously. By carefully balancing the output and input power, the system achieves overunity, where the energy produced exceeds the energy consumed. Advantages and applications. The infinite energy system offers several compelling advantages. Energy independence. Users can disconnect entirely from the power grid, eliminating monthly electricity bills. Accessibility. Most components are readily available, and the system can be assembled with basic electrical knowledge and tools. Scalability. The system can be adapted for various power requirements, from small-scale residential use to larger industrial applications. Sustainability. By reducing reliance on fossil fuels, it contributes to environmental conservation. For aspiring inventors and electrical engineers, the infinite energy system serves as an entry point to exploring ether physics and advanced energy systems. Its practical applications extend beyond powering homes, potentially supporting off-grid communities, remote operations, and disaster recovery efforts. Challenges and criticisms. Despite its promise, the infinite energy system faces notable challenges. Component failure. Key parts like the battery and stepper motor are prone to wear and tear, limiting the system's longevity. Lack of quantitative evidence. While qualitative demonstrations suggest functionality, the absence of published input-output measurements raises skepticism among experts. Theoretical limitations. Critics argue that the system defies the laws of thermodynamics, particularly the principle of energy conservation. Additionally, the technology's association with fringe science and unverified claims has hindered its mainstream acceptance. To overcome these barriers, proponents must provide rigorous empirical data and engage with the broader scientific community. The infinite energy system represents a tantalizing glimpse into a future where energy is abundant, affordable, and sustainable. By building on the principles pioneered by figures like John Worrell Keely and John Bedini, this self-powered generator challenges conventional energy paradigms and opens new avenues for innovation.